back to the channel. Today with me I have this Crompton Greaves Exotica ceiling fan. This fan is a underlight ceiling fan. It is basically a Crompton daycare with reversed motor and an underlight. Its underlight design was also very different compared to the normal fans, and this fan was also not widely sold as far as I know, but I was lucky enough to find a specimen right here, though it was missing the downward canopies and one blade and the original light kit as well. Let me show you the fan, how I bought it. It's a reversed HB motor. Don't know why they made this. Like literally a reversed HB motor. Box logo. Underlight, but the underlight adapter is gone, so I put my own holder. And this is Aura blades. This is original blades. He gave me 3 blades. So that's it. So guys, as you can see, this is inside the Exotica. This is the lower bottom, this is the upper as per the company, but I reversed it, as you know, so I'm taking it out. And see, this is 6202 both side shaft. Both the bearings are same, so it's swappable. As you know, I don't have the light kit. You can see the shaft. Let's assemble it. So guys, the Exotica is finally assembled. This is a light lamp I got temporarily. So first let's install the fan. Now let's test run the Exotica with 2 blades. Now I have attached the bulb as well to test whether the bulb is working. So it's giving awesome airflow for 2 blades as well. Every 4 blade fan deserves to be tested with 2 blades as well, just so we know the performance, how it works. Let's switch the fan off. Also, for those of you wondering, the bulb holder wires is passing through the shaft. It's not going anywhere else. The shaft is hollow, so it passes through that. This is the almost final look. So let's turn it on first. Wow guys, awesome airflow, awesome speed, that bulb. Let's switch off the back tube. Wow guys, this is so awesome. So guys, let's do the final test run. Yes, I know this is a little bit crooked, the bulb thing, but can't do anything for now, so we'll fix it on later. But for now, test run, it's good. Normally in places where underlight fans are there, they'll have double wires, one separate for the light kit, one for the fan, but here I'm using single because I don't have two switches connection. So guys, this is the fan before installation, and next is the fan with lights off and the light kit on, Khatan magnet in the background. This is the Decare and the Exotica. Exotica is the Aura Canopies Decare Blade Decare download. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.